Hi everybody, it's Marla from marlameredith.com, and today I am making a no-bake cheesecake, which is perfect for July 4th or any summer celebrations. Because I'm making this recipe for 4th of July, I'm using blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries, but you can do peaches, you can do plum, you can do pretty much anything on the top, or nothing at all, it's up to you. Okay, all you need for this recipe is a 9 or 10 inch springform pan, baking spray. For the crust, we have our graham cracker cookies. You could also go with ginger snaps or chocolate cookies. I've got some brown sugar, some melted unsalted butter. Then for the filling, we've got granulated sugar, heavy whipping cream, a little bit of lemon juice, vanilla bean paste, a little bit of sour cream, full fat cream cheese, confectioner's sugar, and we're gonna top the cheesecake with fresh blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Here we go. This cheesecake is looking awesome. So we're gonna go ahead and pop it in the fridge for 6 to 8 hours, but you can also leave it in there for up to 2 days. The longer it's in the fridge, the easier it will be to take out of this pan and to slice.